I woke up naturally at 5:45 this morning. I haven't even tongue scraped yet. I just woke up. I get out of my bed, cuddle Natalia, bother her for a second, even though I know she's sleeping longer, give her some sleepy kisses, and then Maggie and I walk outside to go see the mountains and the birds and the insects before 6 a.m. Maggie's already got me laughing. What a cutie. Man, the early morning, it sets my whole day. I was gonna say it sets your whole day. Maybe it sets your whole day too. Definitely impacts mine so much. Natalia recently got me into this one. She does it every morning. She bought me one. I haven't done any research to look into it, but it can't be bad. So she tells me right when you wake up, before you drink water, I do like 3 passes. I love you. I love you. Now I do my meditation. We'll play when I do asana, baby. Oh, that's my sweet. Meditation first thing, early morning. Asana will come later. I have meditation videos on my channel where I guide you through a 10 or 15 minute sesh. I plan on posting more guided meditation videos, and there's an infinite amount of beginner guided meditation videos on YouTube, so we have no excuses. If you've never meditated, don't know how, don't know what it is, just go to YouTube, guided meditation for beginners, or download the Headspace app. Simply sit down in your room or anywhere, doesn't even need to be quiet, and just push play and follow the directions. And that will set you on a lifelong journey of meditation and exploration in your emotions and mind and vibration, and it's life-changing. Just start and don't stop. Be consistent every day. Now it's time to turn the party up. Now time to hydrate. This water comes from my natural spring on my land, which we're at my rental house while we're building our home and farm down on my land, which is a 10-minute walk that way, which we will go to later this morning. And this is spring water, untreated, full of minerals, and good vibrations from Mother Earth. And in these first moments of waking up, I'll be so honest with you guys. I am building something really crazy right now. There's a lot of obstacles involving everything: building, design, money, legal stuff, lawyers, neighbors. You can't even imagine. I couldn't imagine a year ago when I started this project the amount of fun but crazy complicated obstacles I've had to go through. So just like you, I'm sure you have all those obstacles in your life in your own ways, with work, with family, with school, whatever, fulfilling your obligations you feel like you have in life while also pursuing your passions. And it's very easy to wake up, grab your phone, scroll through Instagram, get stressed, start working without the self-care. I've done it that way, and it's completely unsustainable. You burn out, you're bitter. So for me, waking up early at 5:45 like I did, and you'll see it takes me a couple hours to complete my self-care, but I get up early enough where I can do that and still have a full work day, and I have such a better, more productive work day. But most importantly, my mental attitude and mind is in a mode of gratitude while I overcome my obstacles and work and tasks of the day, rather than if I didn't go through these steps, I think I'd just be in pure stress mode, not as grateful, just like get anxious and tight. So literally before my work has started, this early in the morning like this, while I'm drinking water, I literally just think in my head, I think visuals of my family and hugging them. I think of Natalia sleeping in bed and how beautiful her family is and how lucky we are to be college educated and been able to pursue our dreams. I think about how grateful I am that I understand health and know what kind of food I like to eat, and I can eat organic local food. All my privilege, like I try to just stew and soak in all of my gratitude and privilege for the first couple hours a day, because it's not even worth it to start stressing about my day or what I have to do work-wise, because I'm gonna get to that eventually. So just be grateful. This is the one life we have. The butterflies are freaking flying around. The dogs are barking in the pueblo. Pura vida. Oh, yeah. Espresso in Costa Rica. Now, before my walk, got my espresso, my Ganesh, and my journal. Time to tune in vulnerably to how I feel this morning, the good, the bad. For me, journaling is about really not even trying to manifest or put out good intentions, but just check in with how I feel about myself, about my relationships. Try to get honest about what's causing me stress or anxiety or even sadness, or things I know I need to work on, or bad habits. Just get them on paper, and I'm able to really reflect on them more and become a better person and a more grateful person. Gotta feed Maggie as well, part of the morning routine. We got rice cooked with sweet potato and pumpkin, blended, fresh, local, kind of white little beans from our farmer here in Costa Rica. Nice big spoonful of coconut oil and one raw egg from our friend Maria.